Welcome to VFD Invt Urdu. Here, you'll learn everything about VFDs and Invt drives in simple and clear Urdu. Stay tuned for easy guides, expert tips, and practical solutions. Subscribe now and boost your knowledge with us.
VFD Inverter PV Group Setting, Step-by-Step Guide. Hello, friends. Today, I will guide you step by step on how to set the PV group in your VFD inverter, especially for solar panel voltage adjustment. So, let's begin. Step 1. Enter programming mode. First, press the program button on your VFD inverter. The display will show P0 or some other digits. Now, find PV using the arrow keys or dial. Once you see PV, press the enter button. Step 2. Set PV suffer. The screen will show PV00. The digit that is blinking needs to be changed. Use the shift button to move the cursor and set the blinking digit to 4. After setting it to 4, press the data enter button. Step 3. Adjust PV suffer char. Once you press enter, the display will show PV suffer char. Here, you need to adjust the value according to your solar panel voltage. For example, if your solar voltage is 500 volts, set this to 70. If the voltage is higher, you can set it up to 110. After setting the desired value, press the data enter button. Step 4. Adjust PV suffer punch. Next, PV suffer punch will appear. Press data enter again. You will see 4 zeros, suffer. Use the shift button to change this to 5000. Then press data enter. Step 5. Adjust PV suffer che. Now, PV suffer che will appear. Change the value from 6 to 7. Press data enter. Step 6. Adjust PV suffer sat. Next, PV suffer sat will be displayed. Press data enter. The value will show 130. Change it to 150 and press data enter. PV group setting completed. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the PV group settings for your VFD inverter. Now, you can run your VFD smoothly with the right settings for your solar panels. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss our future guides. Thank you for watching.